Man, I love satires, that too with kids. Best combination. But does this one hits the mark? Let's find out. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and today we're talking about the Tamil film Kaka Muthai, written and directed by M. Manikandan, starring Vignesh, Ramesh, Aishwarya Rajesh and many more. That kind of rhymed, right? Vignesh, Ramesh, Aishwarya Rajesh. As always, watch the film on Discord with other viewers or channels. If you want to join us in the future, link in the description, come join the community. There will be spoilers about the movie in the video. So if you haven't seen the movie, go watch it and then come back. It's available on Hotstar. It's a very fun and quirky film about a subject matter which is mostly dealt with very seriousness, which I really liked. You know, it does explore the life of the people living in the slums, the hardships they face. Definitely the film critiques the society. And at the end of the day, it is the story about these two brothers. And they develop a dream to taste a pizza. And they are the heroes of this film. And we see, how with a simple narrative things are orchestrated around it and how the corruption at every level is exposed. The film very well builds up this universe of these kids, how they wake up in the morning, go to this place to eat crow eggs, and then how that land is encroached by a businessman to build a pizza restaurant, and then they want to eat it, they want to go in, so they want to get enough money. Their father is in prison, but for them eating the pizza is more important. They don't even care to get him out or not. That's how naive and innocent they are. They go to the railway tracks to pick up coal and sell that to earn some money. They even have a friend there who cleans up the railway tracks. Then they have this unique friendship with a rich kid who lives in the society and they talk to him often. And when they try to go in, they are thrown off, so they need to get new clothes. And even then, they are thrown off because they don't belong there according to the privilege. It actually took me 5 minutes to realize, oh, it's Aishwarya Rajesh. She's trying her best to get her husband out. The lawyer is just using them to earn quick money. And the grandmother, Shanti Manni, she was awesome. And definitely, the film starts a discussion about class divide. How in our society appearance matters. Where you live matters. It's all about the social status. It is all a status symbol. I love the way the kids got the new clothes. That was a great scene. And we see, how the system is just full of parasites. From the bottom to the top. Of course, the MLA, the police, the businessman, they are dealing with things. But even at the bottom, Ramesh Tilak and Yogi Babu's character, they find this clip to blackmail the businessman and they offer them 1 lakh. But Ramesh Tilikan wants more money, so he lies to Yogi Babu. And later, karma bites back and they are left with nothing. Now I definitely felt the satire was a little shallow. It wasn't that deep and felt very surface level. By the end, it didn't make that big impact I was expecting. The film feels like an indie film, some of the acting is very amateur. Even Aishwarya Rajesh, it was early in her career. At moments I could see she's acting. It's a 1 hour 45 minutes, but some places pacing were little off. And at some moments in the movie, I felt just to deliver comedy, the film is losing its focus. Definitely the scenes were really humorous, but at what cost? Now I knew from the moment they wanted to eat a pizza that they'll not like it. And that's always the case, right? Always in life we run behind the things we think we need, but we don't. And we don't appreciate the things we already have. Like these kids, they ran after the pizza, but they never appreciated their grandmother. And by the end, they lost her. And for what? For something they didn't even like eating. And we also see, how money makes people arrogant. These kids, suddenly when they're earning a lot of money now, they're saving that money to eat pizza, they become arrogant, They started talking back to the elders, to the grandmother, to the mother. And that's a very real thing. And both the brothers, played by Vignesh and Ramesh, were really, really good. Periya Kaka Mutai and Chinna Kaka Mutai. I don't know if they're brothers in real life, but definitely on screen, they felt like they're real brothers. The chemistry was great. You'd like to go on an adventure with these kids to explore the world they live in. See, overall, it's a nice film. It works as a satire. There's constant social commentary throughout the film. But as I talked about, that impact is missing. I felt the film couldn't commit itself to do something at the end. They go and eat the pizza, but that scene felt very underwhelming. We don't really follow up that with anything. And one of my favorite kids satire is Jojo Rabbit. And that film goes all the way. The impact that film makes, the stand that film takes, it's just amazing. It's out of the world. And if you haven't seen that movie, do check it out on Hotstar. Now, I'm not saying every movie should be like that, but the impact should be there, which I felt was missing in this one. Through channel membership, you can support this channel and help me continue this journey ahead. And in turn, you get various perks. To know more, click on the join button. For more information, check out the community page. So guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, let me in the comments your thoughts. If you want to subscribe, check out the videos. If you like them too, do subscribing, and I'll see you next time.